Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? I'm Aline, and today I decided to drop by here really quickly to talk to you guys about this awesome solution to hearing loss, earwax, like excessive earwax, also anything to do basically with your ears health. So if you guys do know what I'm talking about and you want to know more about the supplement, it is called SonoFit. So SonoFit is a new supplement that hit the market, and it's here to help you with your ears health, with your auditory system, and so much more. So guys, if you want to know everything about SonoFit, make sure you watch this video until the very end. Here's why. I have a lot of important infos and alerts that I simply want to share with you guys before you start using this supplement. So if you don't wish to have regrets, throw your money away, or be really frustrated, watch this video until the end, because I promise you it won't take much of your time, but it's going to be a very informative one. All right. Now let's get it started, guys. Let me just tell you that I will be leaving SonoFit's official website just below this video in the description box. I will be doing that, so it's going to make your lives easier. It's going to be a click away. Plus, you're going to be purchasing the original SonoFit if you decide to purchase it over there. And if you guys do need a refund in the future, that is the place you have to go back to. But we'll talk more about that refund later on throughout this video. All right? Now, SonoFit. As I was saying, SonoFit is here to help you guys with the health of your ears. So basically, researchers have identified over studies and studies that a specific blend of herbs and plants that can support your oral health, your auditory clarity, and eardrum health, among other benefits, of course. So some of the ingredients that are in SonoFit are designed to clean out earwax as well. As I was saying, it is completely normal that some people have excessive earwax and they have to be cleaning their ears every single day instead of every 3 days or so on, right? It is normal, but SonoFit will help you guys to simply start eliminating that excessive earwax, all right? So to achieve all of these benefits, SonoFit uses a really unique combination of olive oil, garlic oil, tea tree oil, and other natural ingredients, which makes SonoFit really healthy to use because it has no side effects and no contradictions as well. So some of the ingredients are very rich in antioxidants to support oral hearing, while others will help you to soothe out your hearing. It will help you to basically calm down your eardrums, because sometimes people do have a problem where they have that buzzing sound, or they have they hear things really loud. So the SonoFit formula is actually really cool because it comes with many benefits, guys. And as I was telling you, SonoFit is natural. So I mean, what more can you want? It has no side effects, no contradictions. And I did research because I saw that a lot of people were talking about it. So let me just tell you that most feedbacks on it, well, basically all the feedbacks on it are positive, meaning that SonoFit works for everyone. And what's really great about this supplement as well is that it comes in liquid form, what makes it even easier for you to use, all right? Now, if you do want to have great results, there is a but, all right? So if you want to have great results, you guys need to take this treatment very seriously. I mean, it is a natural treatment, so of course it will take time for your body to start adapting to it to deliver results. Do not expect to get results overnight, because it doesn't work like that. But making constant use of it, you should start to see great results within a week or two, and so on. But never compare your results to other people, because people, we all have different mechanisms, different bodies. So it takes time. Some people have faster results than others, and that is completely normal. So just be patient, do your treatment correctly, and the results will come. Plus, something really cool about the SonoFit is that it will give you guys a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you have 60 days to test it out. And for any reasons at all, if you are unhappy with the supplement, if you don't wish to use it anymore, you can simply go back to the official website, talk to the support team, and guys, they will help you to get all of your money back. So as I was saying before, that's why it's important to get it on the official website, because if you do need a refund, that is the only place that will give you 100% of your money back, all right? Now, let me just tell you that, to finish this video with, SonoFit is really great in what it does. It truly is helping out a lot of people, men and women, any age. And basically, it's going to go to the root cause of any ear-related problems that you may be having, and it's going to fix that up for you, all right? So give it a chance, guys. I know you won't regret it. Plus, this is like a perfect natural solution that will not damage your health, and it will bring you many benefits, all right? So if you want to know more about SonoFit, don't forget that I left the official website just here. If you have questions, if you have like doubts, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back at you very, very soon. All right? Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Have a beautiful day. Stay safe, and I will see you next time. See ya.